subtracting today, and the adding and subtracting is going to be harder today than it was yesterday. Okay, so what's going on? We're doing the practice test quiz.
That's kind of how it works.
Okay, so what is my common denominator on number 1? Common denominator is x cubed. That's right. So then, what would we multiply x by to get x to the 3rd? Times x squared. Yes. So we get 5 over x cubed plus 2x squared over x cubed. And then this gives us 2x squared plus 5 over x to the 3rd. Can we do any canceling there?
No.
No, good. Why not?
Because
Addition.
It's addition, not multiplication. So that's as far as we can go. Okay, this next one's going to get a little more steps. Okay, so looking at those two denominators, can one of them be factored? Yeah. So this group back here, tell me how to factor 5x plus 20, 5k plus 20. Is there a number that goes into both 5k and 20? What is it? 5, and then it would be 5 times? Good. And then we have plus k over k plus 4. So our two denominators here, what is in this denominator here, same group, that's not in this denominator here? The 5. So we need to multiply this numerator by 5 and this denominator by 5 to get our denominators the same. Does that make sense? So now this is going to give us k plus 24 over 5 times k plus 4 plus 5k over 5 times k plus 4. Did we have a question? Uh-huh.
Yeah. What if you multiply the other side by 5 first instead of like making it like smaller?
What do you mean smaller?
Well, because like you did 5 instead of 5k plus 20, it's 5, and then parentheses k plus 4. What if you did the multiply 5 first?
The thing about the nice thing about when we leave it factored is that then we can see if there's some canceling that we can do. So it behooves you to do the factoring. So I mean that same idea, but now when we add these together, what do we get? Back there again. What do we get when we add the numerators together? What's 5k plus k? Cohen. What's 5k plus k? 6k. So it's 6k plus 24 over 5 times k plus 4. Does 6k plus 24 factor? Yeah, we can take what out? A 6. So this is the same thing as 6 times k plus 4 over 5 times k plus 4. And then we can cancel. What is it that we can cancel? The k plus 4. So then it equals 6 fifths. So that was what I was talking about in terms of the factoring, that we can see that those cancel then there. So, let me talk about it on the next one. Okay, number 3, can either one of those denominators be factored distribution? Number 3, yeah. Anybody, any other denominator be factored?
What do you do?
Good. So this factors to x minus 2, x plus 2. So we're going to rewrite it as 8 over x plus 2 times x minus 2. So now, what is in, same group, what is in this denominator that's not in this one? X plus 2. So we want to multiply the numerator and denominator of this one by x plus 2. Does that make sense? Oops. Red. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute, and I get 3x plus 6 over x minus 2 times x plus 2. Okay, so pay attention to this one, because this stuff is a little bit tricky. This is subtraction here. So when I subtract, am I only subtracting the 3x, or am I subtracting that whole numerator there?
Subtracting the whole numerator.
The whole numerator. So I need to distribute that negative to both of them. So that's like a -1 times this here. So I'm going to write it out again, just to make it clear. We have 8 over x plus 2 times x minus 2, and then plus -3x minus 6 over x minus 2 times x plus 2. So when we add those together, this group here, tell me what we get when we add those together.
All right, we get -3x plus 2.
Yep.
Over x minus 2 times x plus 2.
Very good. And then can we do any canceling there?
I don't think so.
No, we can't. So we're done. So we do want to look to see if we can. So back to this step up here. This is a frequent mistake that students make. If they rewrite this out as another step, they say, oh, I've got an x plus 2 here and an x plus 2 here that I can cancel. Why is it that we don't want to cancel those?
Subtraction. That was subtraction.
So this x plus 2, this blue x plus 2, this blue x plus 2. Why don't we want to cancel those? Frequently on a problem like this, I have students that make a mistake and want to cancel those. Why did we multiply by x plus 2 there? To get our denominators the same, right? So the denominators wouldn't be the same if we did that. So we are subtracting, we need to get those denominators the same. So once we get to this step here, and then we add them together when we get to the last step here, then we can look to see if we cancel. We don't want to cancel until we add them together, or subtract them. Does that make sense? Okay. Okay, let's do number 4, and then I'm going to have you do number 5. Okay, so number 4. This group here, tell me which denominator factors.
Does it do the x in the bottom?
Yeah. So what multiplies to 20?
5 and 4.
That's to 9, 5, and 4. Good. So 2x plus 5 over x plus 5 times x plus 4. And we have 5 over x plus 5. So what's in this denominator here that's not in this one?
X plus 4.
That's right.
No, it's our group actually. It's our group.
So thank you, Will. Multiply numerator and denominator by x plus 4. And so we get, we're going to distribute 5k plus 20 over x plus 5 times x plus 4.
5x.
Thank you, 5x.
Yes.
And then what do we want to do with this minus?
It's become plus -2x minus 5.
Good. We want to distribute that negative. So we're going to take a -1 times that. Really easy to forget that. So this becomes -2x minus 5. Follow me so far? Okay. you can see there's quite a few more steps, a little harder today. So now adding those together, yeah, when you add these together.
3x plus 15.
Yep.
Over.
Are we done? We aren't done, unfortunately. We want to.
I can go into it.
Yeah, 5. So you want to factor the numerator, take out a 5.
5 or 3?
A 3. 3 times x plus 5.
No, I was talking about the bottom.
You can't take that up though. You can't pull out of that.
I know what you were talking about. That's great. Okay, so now we can cancel an x plus 5 in both. And our answer is 3 over x plus 4.
Let's go.
Okay, go ahead and do number 5 on your own.
No. Tap him on the shoulder. Tap him on the shoulder. Send the message.
I think I have the answer. Wait, on what? When you put the 1 up here?
What do you know?
Over there. Colin, you still depends.
On the way.
Answer's 3.
How do you get? Do you put
Oh
the
my
one?
God.
Oh my God! You put the. Do you put
Easy,
this
bro.
one back too?
Yeah.
Easy, bro.
It's plus 4.
Yes.
Yeah. Plus 4. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer.
Did you actually fall for that? You said wake up, bro. Oh, now you want wake up. Got it. Let's go, bro. Right? This is.
Sorry, I'm going to answer that.
Come on, Aiden, you got it. Oh my God, bro. Everything does answer, bro. What is that, bro? What is that?
M minus 5.
What is that answer?
We canceling, we have to add those numerators together.
I know. I didn't know.
Add the numerators to this.
With mine, man. With mine.
That's all good. Then you get 3 minus 15. And you can take the 3 out. You know, you get 3 over M minus.
So not just 3.
I know. Oh, M minus 5. No, yeah. Then you hear. Oh, the explanation.
Can we just put it right side up?
I did it. Why are you cheating? Why are you cheating now? Why are you not? I'm gonna help you out here.
Pop it in the back.
This is not really good.
Okay.
No.
Oh, you're there. No, I don't like it. I don't like it.
Why does he smell so much like you?
Why does he smell so much like you? You doing so?
So you should get 3 over m
Let's
plus
go,
4.
let's go.
Questions on that? Okay. I'm going to stop there. Go ahead and.
Oh, your mic.
Thanks.